first step we're going to draw is a big oval like this. From that oval, we're going to start at the top and go around and then come down from the same other side and go in like this. We're going to make the handle by going up and around. Follow that same pattern. There we go. We're going to make some marshmallows, just a little oval, and then a line down. We're going to make a bigger line down and then close it off like this so it looks like it's floating inside of the hot chocolate. Next, we're going to make another one by drawing a line that looks like this. Come up a bit, draw a big oval, and then close it up. Got another marshmallow. Okay, this one goes around like this, comes down, down again, and then cut it off just like that. One more marshmallow in our little group by making an oval. Make it go out and then in a bit like that, and then let it come and close up. Now we're going to make a line starting about here and make it go through each marshmallow. So don't actually make it go through, just find where they would kind of meet, the lines would meet, and skip over each marshmallow and then close it off at the end like that. Next, it's up to you, but I'm going to draw a face just to be cute about it. I'm going to draw 2 big circles and then a big smiley face. I'm going to make a line to close it up and then a little tongue. I'm going to draw a big circle and then a smaller circle. Same thing for the other side. Big circle and then a smaller circle. Inside of these, they're going to be black. I'm going to make it a Christmas pattern by adding decorations on the mug. My decorations are going to be little trees. So start with like an arrow and then go in, out, and in like a zigzag across. And then you're going to make another zigzag pattern. So I'm going to make a couple of those little patterns on the mug just for detail. Again, you can make the same pattern, or maybe your pattern is like candy canes or gumdrops. It's really whatever you want. You are the artist here. And then I'm going to draw one more kind of coming off of the side. So it looks like it's going behind it. There we go. That was kind of fun. Maybe I'll do another one. There, it looks like it's hiding. Now, let's color it in. We have our cute hot chocolate. I added some steam marks at the top, just lines, but other than that, enjoy. Have fun with this one. Please subscribe for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.